The Amazfit Active 2 comes with a super smooth 60Hz refresh rate, extremely fun to use. We get a leather strap, which looks classy, and a silicone strap that is perfect for your fitness tracking. You can download maps on the watch and track your current location during your workout. So cool! Hi there! This is the newly launched Amazfit Active 2. And we have the premium version. It comes with a leather strap that gives this watch a very classy, timeless look. Goes perfect with your formal office wear. And of course, they've also clubbed it with silicone straps that you can swap when you want to work out or relax in the pool over the weekend. The Active 2 is a package with all the premium features. It comes with a high-resolution AMOLED display, you get a stainless steel metal build, comes with built-in GPS support for offline maps, one-tap health monitoring, reliable workout tracking, and you get all that for just $9,999. I've been using the watch and even the Amazfit Helio Ring for a couple of days. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide if you should buy them or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the watch right here, Amazfit Active 2. If you look closely, it says this is a premium version because this comes with a leather strap. On the side here, you can see the image of the watch from the side. Towards the back, you have some specifications. The watch is compatible with both iPhone as well as Android, and some more features on the side which we'll cover further in this video. Without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top obviously is the watch itself. Then we have this another box which includes a very thick user manual. Then we have red color silicone straps which I think are super eye-catchy. And finally a charging dock that magnetically connects to the watch at the back to charge. But very surprising to see that it lacks a USB-C charging cable, because everyone who's buying this already has a phone and the phone comes with a USB-C charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. Right on the top you can see there's a sticker, #DiscoverAmazing. Let's peel this off. Oh wow, this looks like a super premium smartwatch. Of course, you get a round dial which is visible, but the frame is all metal, matte finish, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Also, it's really slim. The build quality is top notch. You can check that out immediately. If you look closely, you can also spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. On the other side here, there are two buttons, one on the top here and one at the bottom. There is also a microphone here, very, very nice. The overall build quality is amazing. It's really nice and compact. The other thing that grabs my attention are the premium leather straps. The quality of the straps are next level. They feel so nice, soft to touch and very, very premium. Buckle design obviously, as you can see here. At the back here, you can spot the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals on both the sides. And these straps can be removed very easily by pulling this hook mechanism from here. There you go. Instead of this, you can actually connect silicone straps that come along. So obviously, when you're going to use this watch for workouts or if you want to use it for swimming, all those features, that is when you remove the leather straps and you can attach the silicone straps. We'll pair them later and show you how they look as well. But overall, I must say, the Amazfit Active 2 with the leather strap looks just too good. The Active 2 comes with 5 ATM rating, something we rarely see in smartwatches anymore. Now, technically, it's water resistant up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. So you can wear it in the rain, you can wear it for a workout, and yes, obviously, it's totally safe to be worn in the pool for a swim. In fact, it also comes with swim tracking on board. There you go. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So as you press this button, the display will wake up and we get a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. Now that's actually a really high resolution display for a watch display this size. What it eventually does is you get obviously super vibrant and punchy colors, pitch perfect blacks, and even the smallest text is clearly visible because of that high resolution display. It's actually amazing. Special mention, Amazfit really knows how to smoothen their OS. It's buttery smooth and everything flows like silk. Check that out. It's just amazing. Super smooth and very responsive. And I think that's really important when it comes to a smartwatch. Then if you cover the screen, it will turn off the display because this watch comes with ambient light sensor, so it will also adjust the brightness according to the room environment. Talking about brightness, as you can see, we tested this watch outdoors. So Amazfit claims 2000 nits of peak brightness. As you can see, everything is super crisp and clear. You can easily use this watch outdoors under the sun. Now before I further show you the interface, let's talk about the bezels on the display. So I'm moving to a watch face that goes edge to edge. There you go. So the first thing you notice is very slim black line around the edges, almost invisible to the naked eye. Best part, if you go to a black watch face, and this is my favorite, This is an amazing looking Roman analog watch face, just perfect for this watch. Here, you don't see the bezels at all, they blend in so well. Absolutely amazing. Other thing I want to mention is that the screen is kind of little curved, which feels very nice and ergonomic to use. Alright, let's talk about the interface. So as you swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles, battery, do not disturb, theater mode, date and time. You can adjust the volume of the ringer from here. Then of course you can use the display as a torch, and here is the brightness. You can adjust it or just keep it to auto brightness. It will adjust accordingly. Then settings, you have watch faces and you can change the time format, everything from here. Further down, Bluetooth, you can toggle Bluetooth on and off, and further down you can also connect Bluetooth earphones or headphones and enjoy the music that's saved on the watch, which is so amazing. You can go into the display settings, you can adjust the brightness, screen on duration, always on display. I know a lot of people look forward to this one. So always on display, it'll remind you that battery life might get affected, and yes, it will get affected because of always on mode. And you can choose the style, you can follow the watch face, or you can choose the ones that come pre-installed. So you can choose from this one, analog, digital. This is a digital one, here's an analog one. So some really cool looking watch faces for always on, which look really nice. Also, I must mention, always on display options are really bright and clear, easily visible even outdoors. Then further back, you have enable method. You want to keep it to smart, you want to set the time, you want to schedule it, or you want to turn it off. Then sound and vibration, workouts. So you have auto workout detection. So type of workouts that you can use, but remember this might also drain your battery. So you can use it for walking, indoor walking, running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, elliptical. So if you keep these on and if you go for your workout without turning on that option, it will still recognize those workouts, which is always handy. Further down is notifications. Then you have voice assistant, there is Zep Flow, offline voice control, workout access, so you can actually connect more workout devices which you can connect via Bluetooth to track your workout even more accurately. And further in preferences, do not disturb, sleep mode, battery mode, off wrist mode, shortcut button, app list, view style, watch language, wearing detection, everything is amazing. This watch is fully stocked. Permissions, maps, oh my god, map resources, you can download map here, map style, oh wow, this is really good. And of course, system, here you can find about, regulatory, restart, shutdown, factory reset. Coming back to the home page, if you swipe right, you can access the dashboard, it'll show you the time, Zep Flow app, music that's playing, the weather, readiness, alarms. Oh my god, this is just so good. And see how smooth the interface is. Just love it. Then on the home page, swipe right to access the readiness, your steps, your stand time, your workout, the weather, your heart rate, all your quick workout options, and you're back to the home page. Swipe from down to access your reminders, your missed call alerts, your notifications, everything. Then to access the menu, press this button on the top and you have readiness, you have heart rate, your blood oxygen, your one-tap measurement, your workout, your weather, you have Zep Coach, workout history, workout status, you have the map, activity, PAI, stress tracking, sleep tracking, phone. Then of course you have membership card, you have music, you have alarms, and yes, you can set the alarm directly from the watch itself, calendar, settings, sun and moon time, compass, barometer, menstrual cycle tracking for women, there's a thermometer, there's a stopwatch, there's a timer, there's a find my phone, to-do list, voice memos, Pomodoro timer, heart rate push, HRV, you have meditation, and you have the Zep Flow app. So to make phone calls from this watch, go to the menu, go to the phone app. Here you have recent calls, you have top contacts, and you have the dial pad. I'm going to dial pad and I'm randomly dialing a number and clicking dial. There you can see the phone call is being dialed. Now the audio that you're hearing is actually from the watch speaker, which is actually pretty loud and clear. You can mute the microphone, you can adjust the volume, and once you're done talking, you can end the call directly from here. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on a smartwatch. Firstly, there's a ring alert, there's vibration, you can see the caller's name, you can silent the incoming call, you can reject the incoming call, and you can answer and talk directly using a smartwatch. It's so convenient. You can also mute the microphone, you can control the volume, you can send this call to the phone, and once you're done talking, you can end the call from here. Let's quickly talk about the calling experience. Well, the speaker gets loud enough to be used indoors. In most cases, it's also audible outdoors. But if you're in a very noisy environment, you might need to get the watch closer to hear the person. But I can tell you that the other person didn't know I was using my watch to talk to him, so surely the mics do an excellent job at isolating the ambient sound. Bottom line, the Active 2 is pretty reliable for phone calling. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. So first we'll talk about the leather strap. Now I have pretty thin wrist and the watch doesn't feel big or bulky. It just looks perfect. In fact, I would say the watch is unisex and both men and women can wear it. It overall feels really light and soft, provides an excellent grip on your wrist. The stainless steel frame with the leather straps give the watch a classic timeless look. Absolutely love it. And here is with the silicone straps. Comes with a buckle and a loop design, perfect when you want to keep it casual over the weekend or while working out. Very comfortable and stylish, I would say. The Raise the Wrist is one of the fastest and most responsive I've seen in a while. Works like a charm. Coming to health tracking. Now one handy feature on the Active 2 is one tap measurement. It runs a series of tests for about 45 seconds and provides you 4 health parameters in one go. Heart rate, stress tracking, SpO2 and breathing rate. This is so convenient. However, I always say use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. So the Amazfit Active 2 comes with over 160 plus workout modes. To quickly access it, press the button at the bottom here and you'll see outdoor running, walking, free training, you have high rocks race, strength training, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool swimming, track run, climbing, elliptical training, row machine, yoga, jumping ropes, tennis and so many more. Further down you can press the plus button and you can add or remove more workout options that you can find here. It's really convenient. The Active 2 comes with built-in GPS and offline map support. We use the watch for a quick outdoor workout. Firstly, it gets a fix on the GPS in just a couple of seconds. Then make sure you download the map on the watch using the Zep Companion app. Now, see the live map of your location during your workout. It's super convenient. So if you're going on a trek, you won't get lost. You'll have the exact path you've walked, like a trail with you all the time. It's gonna be very handy. After you've finished your workout, you can see all your workout parameters in so much more detail right on the watch itself. Amazfit Active 2 is perfectly designed for a true fitness enthusiast. Coming to the battery. So the Active 2 comes with a 270 mAh battery that Amazfit claims will last you about 14 days with typical use. Let me surprise you, it actually lasted me about 9 to 10 days easily. Trust me, that's not an easy number to achieve, which is really good. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, which obviously is pretty decent. The Active 2, I would say, is pretty solid in the battery department. Let's have a quick look at the Zep Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see health and workout related data, your heart rate, the steps taken, calories burned, stress tracking, PAI, your weight and other details can be entered here. You can see readiness, you can see sleep tracking, exertion. If you come into workout here, you can see all your workout related data here in detail. Then if you come into devices, this is where you can see that the watch is paired. You can see the battery percentage. Click on this and you can download over 400 watch faces. There is a huge collection of watch faces that you can download from here. The good thing is lots are free, but the sad part is some are paid. So that's something you'll have to struggle with, but still, I think they will be totally worth it. Coming back, there is a dedicated app store. If you come in here are some of the apps that you can download on the watch. Some of them are free, while some of them are paid. Huge list, you must check this out. Coming back, there's health monitor, notifications and reminders, so you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. You can make settings in the display options, sound and vibration, workouts, offline voice control, sleep mode, off wrist lock, long press upper button, widgets, wearing detection, then app list management, shortcut cards, device app settings. Check this out. And in general, you can update the app and some more details. Overall, the app is well stocked, clean and very easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So, Amazfit makes sure that their watches tick all the boxes and the Active 2 does exactly that without burning a hole in your pocket. It's got a stainless steel metal build, leather strap option, accurate tracking, GPS, offline maps, health monitoring and so much more. Only thing I found missing is built-in Alexa. I don't think a lot of people are going to miss that, so I think it's fine. The Active 2 is definitely recommended for anyone who wants a classy watch with all the smart features. The watch is already on sale for Rs 9,999. I'll share the links of both the silicone as well as the leather strap variant in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. Talking quickly about the Helio Ring, well, for someone who wants it minimalistic, no vibrations, no screen, but just wants to track their health parameters, this is probably the best thing you can get. The Amazfit Helio Ring is also already on sale. I'll leave the links for that as well in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check that one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.